part 2 wasn't there, then I was like, this not told then. Wait until you watch the trailer. It's so funny. Okay, let's watch it, guys. Look at this trailer. What is the domination? It's almost fell.
Hello, ma'am. Can you help me find my son?
Well, let's just not watch that. I'm gonna ruin it for you guys. Actually, it's really funny. I already played this, and let's start off with part 1. It's actually real funny. Guys, make sure to play this game in Roblox. It's really fun. Actually, after when we're all done on that game, I'm just gonna like the game. Definitely have to hold it. Play full screen. I wish, guys, I wish that I was using actually my webcam. Okay. This is part 1, guys, and we're doing a horror game.
Bethany, my oh my! Bethany, my oh my!
Yo tengo. Oh my god. Yo tengo. Remember, guys, stay tuned because we're gonna do part 2. Oh yeah. That's a long arm. What I say? Yo tengo. Actually, when I went in Bloxburg, I actually see. I know that YouTuber. I know that. And I know that YouTuber. Guess that YouTuber. It's me. That YouTuber. Oh, these are my friends, Minion and that. Okay, let's just go. Hey, I know where you appear. When I go over here, you were gonna say, nah, I don't want to run.
Hola amigo. This is
Tiffany, my oh my!
and you should buy this product. Also, I recommend subscribing to Lalora's on YouTube.
I don't want to. I already subscribed to him. That's the end of part. Okay, that's the end of part 1. Now let's go at part 2. I really like the part 2 one. Actually, guys, I want to watch it. I don't want to watch it. I don't want to ruin it for you. That was so funny. Just laughing so. We have 5 minutes, guys. So make sure to stay because this one is really funny. Oh my god, I can't handle it. Yo tango. My sister upstairs might think I'm just talking to myself. She's maybe thinking that. But this one is funny. Yo tango. Come on, load in. Because we only have 5 minutes. Start, come on.
Bethany, my oh my!
Oh my god. Oh, she's back alive. Oh, she has some fat legs. Oh, me. What? I'm playing some Call of Duty. Can I answer the call? I have my cheeks right there, and that's how I look, actually. Okay, what we gonna say?
Hello, ma'am. Will you help me find my son? His name is Samuel.
Let's try to find Samuel. Okay, let's try to find him. So,
Cha-ching, cha-ching-a-ring. Money on money.
Here's your
how
fat-
I love thee. Cha-ching, cha-chong, cha-changaroo.
no one else was in there. Okay, where's Samuel? What? That's Samuel. No, Samuel, come back. Well, I found Samuel. Let's go downstairs to get Samuel. Hey, Samuel. Oh no, you're next. No, I'm gonna die. Yo tengo. Actually, later that night. Let's watch some Keemstar. Come on.
What is up, Trouble Alert Nation? I'm your host, Killer Keemstar. Let's get right into the news. We have a ton of news for you today. The first story, Tiffany Mayume killed this YouTuber.
Oh, I'm a YouTuber? Wait, I'm a YouTuber? He may be killing me. He may be gonna kill me.
We lay my love and all beneath the evening
willow. I know what comes up. I bought this before. I have that hat. I do not have that. Get away, get away, get away, get away. Okay, sneak past. Oh. Come on, die! You must die! Okay. Number of Samuel. Come on, Samuel. Yes! Come on, you guys, get out of here! Wait, it's raining guns! And why are it raining phones? Wait, what is that? Oh, I need some more. I need to drop my gun. My mouse ain't working! Bam! Bam! Oh no. I just really like the music, guys. Well, guys, that's it for the video. See you guys next time. Bye! Bye!